My name is Pankti Mehta. I'm a student at Rice University. I study computer science, and I'm class of 2026. I think algorithms are beautiful in their own way because of the application that it has to the real world. I had the opportunity to create a portal that connects nonprofit organizations with hospital systems. And I was actually able to test that out across the Texas Medical Center and different hospital systems. I don't think it would have been possible at any other university for me to pursue both computer science and medicine, and to be able to pursue it in the capacity to which I have. I love dancing in the Rice Rangilas dance group. It's essentially a traditional Gujarati folk dance group, which is where I'm from. And it's been so wonderful to sort of dance alongside everyone. And that has been one of the most wonderful experiences. Rice has given me such an amazing opportunity to pursue everything that I could have ever dreamed of.